I want to get you to some new video from right along Ray Roberts Lake. It was meant to be a relaxing weekend on the water, but as you can see, it turned into complete disaster after a newly confirmed EF-1 tornado blew through. The visitors there, they did survive. Some were sleeping in their boats, their RVs. Some had to hide out in a walk-in freezer. I want you to look. Just take a look and you will see the rows of RVs tossed around like toys at this marina on Ray Roberts. Amid the destruction, one voice stands out.
Do you think they need gloves? Just be careful.
Sherry Williams is coordinating the cleanup around the marina.
Since we've kind of cleaned up the fields today, I'm trying to give these people who have RVs some help.
And she's no stranger to the waterfront property.
My parents actually built the marina in '95, and we kind of took over in 2007 and been here since then.
This holiday weekend, it'll be one hard to forget. Williams says she remembers the very moment she got the warning about a tornado in the area.
And so my husband and I start running through the RV park, honking our horn and yelling, and they know to come here.
Within minutes, guests were told to take cover in a walk-in freezer of the restaurant on site.
Y'all, get in here now. Come on, come on.
One person recorded the frantic moments the freezer door shut and the storm blew over.
It was really shaking. It was scary, and we could feel the top going off. We could hear the ceiling falling outside. We could hear the RVs hitting the building.
Williams says some people were still sleeping in their RVs and some in boats when that storm blew right through. She, along with the others, witnessed all the destruction.
RVs had hit this. We had this whole parking lot was covered in RVs.
As they made their way through that destruction, Williams says she could hear people calling for help, including this man and his wife.
Linda came out between these two wheels,
okay,
and there was more. Then I was all the way back up as far as you can climb, and that would be about where my fireplace and the television was.
Both say they're grateful to be alive.
We had some great people out here. I just said we can't wait for fire rescue. I mean, it's going to shift and he's going to get crushed, and they got him out within 30 to 45 minutes.
After hearing about the devastation, more people from the community have come in to help, and Williams welcomes them all.
Ever so often, go over there, sit down, cool off, because there's no shade over here.
She calls what she's seen the past few days incredible.
Just overwhelmed at the generosity. And like I said, yesterday we probably had 100 people here. And we didn't know anybody. So it's amazing.
Truly remarkable seeing that community come together. Williams says some people, yes, they had to go to the hospital to be checked out for their injuries, but again, she says she's just grateful to see that everyone, for the most part, is doing okay.